Hello, this is going to be a very quick video because I am rushing around a little bit, packing because I'm going bikepacking again. Yes, we are. I'll not tell you where. However, if you do follow my Instagram, you'll probably find out quicker. So my Instagram is at Katie Kookaburra with a 1 on the end. Or if you want to wait for the surprise of the video, it'll be up maybe tomorrow actually by the time you see this. Anyway, I'm packing my stuff and I thought, and I'm not going to show you all like the actual like sleeping bag stuff because actually I'm only going to be using the sleeping bag once. But I thought I'd show you some of like the smaller things that I always take bikepacking that I just think are essential and things that you maybe necessarily wouldn't think to take. So, but yeah, this is like basically the clothes. I need to wear some of this because I'm obviously riding to the ferry. So yeah, and I'm not sure what the weather's going to be like, so I've basically got to pack a bit of everything. Right, so I have got shorts and it probably looks like I've not got any pants on, but I do. First thing, I've talked about this before, a hat. Just because, I don't know, whenever it might get cold, especially when you're sleeping outside, if you're camping, definitely take a little woolly hat. And the reason that I would always take this now is because when we went to Dartmoor bikepacking, I didn't take one because I thought it was going to be warm, and then on the way down I was just cold. And so I ended up buying this from Tesco. It was £2 and now this is like my little bikepacking hat because I don't mind if I lose it. But it is good, and also this is good because you can just fold that over your eyes and it's dark if you want to sleep. So take a little hat. Kind of going away with sleeping is this little eye mask. This isn't a very good one to be fair because it's quite light. I have got a black one, I might take the black one actually. Always take an eye mask because sleep is so important on these trips, especially if you're not getting like loads of time to sleep. So you want the sleep that you do have to be really good. So always take that. This, my face, Tiger Balm. This is from Thailand. It's the blue one, and the reason that I take the blue one is for insect bites. I don't know why, they just love me. Mosquitoes love biting me. I've still got like bites all over my arms and stuff. This is the best stuff because it basically cools it down, and also it has got like it smells really strong basically, and I think that actually tries to prevent them biting me, so that's really good. Lip balm. I actually ended up buying lip balm on the last trip because my lips were just so sore because it was just so hot. And also I sometimes get like windburn. Sun cream, that's in like a really little handy sachet from Superdrug. Sun factor 30, just because when you don't know what the weather's going to be like, just take it because you don't want to get burnt. This, I'm not going to show you the number. Okay, this is really good. It's a Monzo card. Loads of people haven't heard of Monzo. When we went last time, Greg hadn't heard of Monzo. Basically, it's a banking app. You get a card with it. God, that's annoying. What are they banging? Can you hear that banging? But you can use it anywhere abroad. Obviously, they've got card machines for free. You don't have to pay like exchange rates and stuff. So Monzo is brilliant. So yeah, really like Monzo. Powerbank. This is an Anker one, so even when I take my dynamo, I do take this. Oh, actually, I forgot two things. Give me one sec. I'm back. So, this is a very handy thing. It's a little bit long, to be honest. This is a charging cable, but it's got 3 different ends. So it's got, you see that? So it's got an iPhone, a USB-C and a USB. So that charges my phone, my camera, my Wahoo, everything I need it to. And lastly, this. I get asked which Shammy Cream I use, if I use Shammy Cream. Actually, this company are now sponsoring me. I'm going to make a separate video all about Shammy Cream, but just very quickly, I've been using this stuff since 2017. So I've been using it 3 years. It is honestly the best Shammy Cream I've ever used, and the reason that I like it is, one, it's vegan, it's organic, and the first ingredient that is in it is aloe vera, and so the reason why I like it, because it's got aloe vera in it, is because you can use this obviously before you ride, and you can actually use it as a post like soothing cream or something. So I say something because like I don't know of many other creams that you would use after. So say for example, been out on a long day, I've had a shower, and yeah, if you're a little bit like, because that's the thing, no matter how far you've ridden, sometimes you are just going to feel a little bit, you basically be sat in a saddle for 12, 14, 18, 24 hours. So I just put a little bit of this on afterwards. Really like this product. It is, I think it's about £12, but that tube has, God, when did I last buy one? Oh, a long time. I would say a tube lasts me probably a year. I don't use it on every ride, but if I'm going on, if it's a really hot day or if it's a really long ride, I always use it. But honestly, it's not the sexiest of packaging, but the actual cream itself is phenomenal, and you only need like a tiny little bit, and it's in a tube so you can share it, so you don't have to any of that like double dipping nonsense that you get with tubs, so you can actually share that if you need to. Hope you found that helpful, hope you found that useful. Let me know if there's anything else that you would take that I haven't. It'll be too late by the time I've gone, but yeah. It's a very quick video today, so is it quick? How long have I been chatting for? Bloody hell, 9 minutes. Right, I'm going. See you next video. Bye! Oh, next video you see, start the bike packing other video. So I'm going to go and pack all my stuff now and then cycle off to the ferry. Leave a comment where you think I'm going. Okay, bye. Damn Sonys, they don't have a flip out screen. Let me just put the mirror behind so I can actually see what I'm filming. Hang on, let's... Oh, I swear when you're rushing, stuff just takes a lot longer. Right, oh god, that's so wonky.